What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I haven't created a Minecraft video. I haven't done a Minecraft video in a long time. So today we're going to be doing I'm going to be showing you how to schneller bridge. However you I don't know how to pronounce it. Schneller, I don't know. But I can do it. Learned it recently, so let's get right into the video. So yeah. Alright, so the first step you want to do is, if you hold, that is bad. If you ninja bridge, it'll be easier for you to do it. Now, let's see. So, if you hold down your left click just like this, and you are not timing your builds. Placing things, if you speed bridge like this, I mean that's totally fine, because that's what you have to be able to do, and it'll be much easier for you, because you'd have to learn how to do it without holding, if you held the thing down. I'm not much good at holding it down because it's 1.16.4. So first thing you want to do is if you're in 1.16.4, I think it's actually easier to do it, my preference. So you just need to, come on, no, my God. Basically what you need to do is when you place, you need to be shifting, and then just I recommend smack your pinky down on shift or whatever you have. If you don't have it on shift, you're weird. So this is what the now practice it in F5, so that's what I can do. I'm able to do it much better, but it's just, I'm recording, I have a higher thing. Damn it. So that's a preview of what you might be able to do at the end of this video. So this is the first one. If you don't know how to ninja bridge, then you click. So you're gonna be shifting, and you click, and then unshift, and then when you're at the edge of the block, you shift again, like this, and just repeat that. And when you're at the edge of the block, you click, and then unshift, shift, click, unshift, click, unshift, click, unshift, click, unshift. And then shift. I really not good at explaining it, but so if you're able to do speed bridging, what you might be able to do. That's speed bridging. Go this way. Okay, So now that you've got the speed bridging down, so what you need to do is to schneller bridge, you need to click and then shift at the same time. And that makes it a lot easier. Right. See, I'm clicking and shifting at the same time, and that was pretty good. Kind of good. What you need to be able to do, what you need to do is you need to just get a piece of wood. And a piece. What you need to do is you need to unshifted. You need to have your crosshair in the middle, so that when you shift, you can place. When you shift, you can place. And then you can speed bridging. So basically, you kind of just want to aim for the middle whilst you have your crosshair, and that will be pretty good because ooh, pretty neat. Pretty neat. So, let me try God Bridge. Nope, damn, not good though. So I used to play a lot in 1.18. No, 1.8. 1.18 isn't a thing. And that's where I learned speed bridging, because, well, you didn't shift as much as you shift now, as like you only shifted a little bit. So I kind of like, for God bridging, I kind of just, well, not God bridging, ninja bridging. I was just first, I was just like this, you know, to get started off, you know. Damn it. I was just kind of like started off with that backward ninja. Then I figured out I was a noob at that time. I figured out pressing S and D actually makes you go sideways, and I was able to just do this. I was able to do that, and like without a doubt, I can now do this. Oh, that was pretty good. So like in about a year, I could schneller bridge. And that was kind of like the start of my career of schneller bridging. And I'm still kind of learning it to this day. So I'm still not like, there's obviously like millions of people that are better than me. But for like, I can't. I need to. Now, if I were to get an auto clicker and time it. If I was good at schneller, then my bridging, schneller bridging, would be faster than breezeway bridging, which kind of sounds crazy, but it's true. Like, I don't know how it could be faster. It's just you're just decreasing the amount of shift time to schneller. So what people would usually do, the ninja bridge, they would just hold the shift button. Maybe even some people go like this. Wait, no. Wait. Maybe some people would go like this. And that's okay if you do it like that. Jeez. And some people do it like this. They decrease their shift time. And then some people do it like schneller, or they do breezily. I mean, there's different stages to the bridges, and depends how fast your clicks are. I can get 13 CPS average, not all the time. Here, wait, look. So, wait. Oh my god, I keep falling off. It's very embarrassing. So to schneller bridge, you just decrease your shift time. And if you decrease your shift time, this is what ninja bridging looks like. Some people are very good at ninja bridging, and schneller bridging is you decrease your shift time. So you look like this. To decrease your shift time, it would look like this. And to go that far, that would be pretty impressive. I mean, I can't fully do it, I can do it slowly. Can't even do it one block. That's embarrassing, actually. So that's and then I could kind of just go, oh, jeez. Oh my god. And then so what you need to do, it's not what you need to do, don't do that please. So to schneller, just decrease. It really helps you. You can decrease your shift time. I mean, I can't even do it properly. Let me just get my angle right. Okay. So that's kind of like what you need to aim for. You need to just kind of, just make a bridge and practice your same time clicking, and just don't decrease your time at shifting. Decrease your shift time.